Hey friends, if you wish to enable the built-in VPN on Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. Now the problem is that a lot of people believe that there is a VPN in Microsoft Edge, and even Google's own overview says that, but the fact is that there is no VPN as such. It's called Microsoft Edge Secure Network. That's a different thing. It's not VPN in the sense of VPN. Okay, if you want to use a VPN on Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots here, select extensions, go to get extensions from Microsoft Edge, search for a good VPN extension, any third party VPN extension, and then you can add it. Okay, and where would you find these extensions? Click on these three dots here, select extensions, and then go to manage extensions. Okay, so this is how you can use these extensions on Microsoft Edge. You have to turn this one on. It will appear here, and then you can turn it on from here. Continue, start. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.